Hi friends, welcome to our math lesson. Today we will learn a brand new way to count numbers. Let's remember the way that we always count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are called cardinal numbers. And that's the way that we count most of the time. But there are times when we use another way of counting, and that other way is called ordinal numbers. Today, we are going to learn all about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell us their place. We also use ordinal numbers for street names and to tell the date. Let's see what they look and sound like. See, our ordinal numbers look almost the same, except they have some letters next to them. Okay, let's see how they sound. We are not going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead, we say first. Can you say first? First, that's for 1. Second, second is for 2. Third is for 3. Fourth is for 4. Fifth is for 5. Sixth is for 6. Seventh is for 7. Eighth is for 8. Ninth is for 9. 10th is for 10. So if some numbers sound almost the same as the cardinal numbers, except we have to add the TH. You see the TH at the end of the number, okay? Let's keep exploring these numbers. Like I told you before, ordinal numbers tell us their place. Here we can see that these parrots are lined up to take a drink of water, just like when we line up at school to drink water. So the very first person is in first place, right? First, then we have second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. So when we line up, we don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To see what place each person or each parrot is in, we use ordinal numbers and we say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th. We also use these, well, let's try this one more time with the bears, okay? So see, these bears are in line to go get some honey. And we can see their place in line. This bear right here is in first place. This one is in second place. This one is in third place, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th. We also use ordinal numbers when we have races or competition. These cars are in a race and we need to find out what place they're in. Can anybody guess in what place is the green car? Very good. The green car is in first place. First. See, we put the ST first. In what place is the purple car? Very good. It's in second. Second. Say it with me. Second. In what place is the red car? Very good. It's in third place. I almost gave it away, didn't I? Third. See, and we can see how you spell them over here. And the yellow car is in 4th place. 4th. And the pink car is in 5th place. 5th. Very good. Now let's do one more exercise, okay? So here I have some very delicious desserts, and we are going to find out in what place they are. Here we can see how to spell first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay? Are you ready? In what place is the cupcake? If we're not sure, we start counting from the beginning. First, second, third. The cupcake is in 3rd place. Okay. Now let's take a look at the banana that is colored. In what place is the banana that is colored? Very good. It's in 1st place. So we put, ooh, sorry, trying to make an S. First. Let's take a look at this sandwich. In what place is the sandwich? Let's see. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. The sandwich is in the 5th place. Can everybody say 5th? Very good. Let's take a look at the carrots. 1st, 2nd, 2nd. Very good. So we draw a 2, an N, and a D. 2nd. Let's take a look at the apple. I think it's an apple, or is it a tomato? I'm not sure. Let's see, let's count. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. The apple or tomato is in 4th place. Very good. So before we go, I want to review counting from 1st through 5th, okay? Count with me. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, you guys have homework. At home, I want you to line up your shoes and then count them using ordinal numbers. Not counting 1, 2, 3, but counting 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Okay? I want to see pictures or drawings of how you lined up your shoes. Okay? Thank you for stopping by. See you tomorrow. Bye.